Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on a 2019 Chevy Traverse Premierr. We started our walk arounds as an attempt at full transparency, a way to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like a detailed vehicle description, which highlights features and options of the Traverse, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see those, plus get a free CARFAX report, see the original window sticker, get financing options, plus a quote for shipping anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of our video, we'll let you hear the engine run on this 2019 Chevy. Thanks for joining us. Let's get to the walk around. All right, everyone, looking at this 19 Traverse, as you can see, the tires are almost new, about 90% tread life all the way around. Right here, it's a very tiny chip. Other than that, for 62,000 miles and 3 years, this Traverse is in amazing shape. There are a few love bug marks on the mirrors, which you may see in the pictures, but I wanted to point them out because other than that, the Traverse looks really nice. No dents, dings, scratches, just a couple of chips, some love bug marks here in the black mirrors, which after 62,000 miles you would expect, but they managed to get them off the nose, so there's none there, just that one chip I showed you. It's a beautiful truck. All right, the only thing that doesn't show up in our photos is the headliner, which, as you can see, is in amazing shape. Dual sunroof all the way to the back. It is immaculate. We'll preview the seats as well. Come take a look at this one.